We are not a party which only exists in the yardsticks of Twitter and Facebook. We are a party which is out there in the ground, who doesn't sit at the comfort of their homes, who is there to fight for the people and make Goa win in the days to come. So this is the basic difference I would like to point out. And the basic difference between Didi and other leaders of any other political party, you see her track record. So Trinamool Congress is not announcing anything for the sake of announcing and to win polls. If you see Didi's track record, in the last 10 years, she's been the Chief Minister of Bengal, or whenever she has been the Cabinet Minister, either in railways or sports or coal. Whatever she has said, she has delivered. So I meet a lot of people often, and I keep asking them that what is the difference between Didi and other political people that you see? And what is the USP of Didi? Everyone tells me one thing, that whatever Didi says, Didi apna baat rakhti hai. This is the basic difference. Didi jo कहती है, Didi वो करती है. Didi, the promises she made before Bengal polls, you will not even believe it's not even 6 months. We have formed the government for the 3rd time. She has fulfilled all the promises. Every promises she made before election, whether it's the student credit card, or it's Lakhir Bhandar, universal scheme for the ladies, or whether it's any other delivery of ration at your doorsteps. Everything has been served and fulfilled. And this is the basic difference. When Trinamool announced something, what is the difference between Trinamool and BJP? BJP also makes promises. BJP also comes out with announcement and propositions, especially just before elections. But the moment the day elections are over, you'll not be able to see them anymore. They'll be missing from action. But the difference between Trinamool Congress and BJP is BJP makes promises and breaks promises. If BJP is good at making promises, they are even better at breaking it. And Trinamool is good at making promises and better at keeping it. This is the basic difference. And other basic difference between other political parties and Trinamool Congress, you know, I keep saying this to everyone I meet, that Trinamool Congress, when we have stepped on to Goa, we want to be a platform of choice to the people of Goa. If you want to take on BJP's might, you have Congress, you have other parties, you have Aam Aadmi Party, you have other regional parties. But what is the difference between Trinamool and others? Trinamool will not sell its soul to the BJP, it will not sell its spine, come what may. This is the basic difference. They can put their might, they can use ED, they can use CBI, they can use income tax, they can use all the investing agencies at their disposal and all the paraphernalia they have at their side. But let me tell you and let me reiterate that Trinamool will fight till the last drop of its blood for the people of Goa. It is Goa who has to win. It is not Trinamool versus BJP. It is a 3-letter word versus a 3-letter word. It is BJP versus GOA. It is not BJP versus Trinamool. It is not BJP versus Trinamool versus Congress or versus Aam Aadmi Party. It is BJP versus the people of Goa. Everyone keep asking me, there were editors in the media meet just a while back, they were asking, isn't Trinamool breaking into the opposition vote or breaking into the opposition unity? No, Trinamool is not. Why BJP is so rattled? Trinamool entered Goa in the month of October. I still remember Mr. Valerio and everyone, most of the dignitaries sitting on the stage, including Yatish and Rajeshji and everyone, they went to Calcutta on the 28th of September. We started our activities in the month of October and we are only in December now. So in 2 months, if a party is able to perplex and bewilder a party of BJP's might and stature, you imagine what it can do in the next 5 years. You imagine what it can do in the next 2 months. Election will be fought in the month of February. We'll fight the elections. And we are not here to win 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 seats. We are here to bring and usher a new dawn for the people of Goa. And we are here to win the state for the people of Goa, lock, stock and barrel. I would not extend my speech just because we have our chairperson present in the stage. And everyone present in the audience has come specially to hear her, and I am also, being a student of politics, want to hear her directions and make sure we are able to implement it word by word for the people of Goa, for the sake of Goans in the days to come. Thank you very much.